At times, you may notice a low flow rate or a low filling time of the transparent chamber. No need to panic. Follow the simple procedure of cleaning the top chamber.
First, remove the lid. Then take out the microfiber mesh filter by rotating it in an anti-clockwise direction. Now introduce the microfiber mesh under a stream of clean water to dislodge the dirt and grime. Rub the surface and squeeze gently. Do not twist the microfiber mesh. Avoid using any kind of sharp or abrasive material to clean the filter to prevent damage. Now reverse the process of fixing the filter back. Then remove the top cover and keep it aside. Next, remove the activated carbon trap by rotating it in an anti-clockwise direction. Then place it under running water and gently rub its surface with your hands to remove the dirt sticking to its surface. Again, avoid using any kind of scrubbers or sharp materials to clean. Now, take the bellow pump which you got along with the device and fill it with Pureit water only. Do not use tap water. Next, fit the bellow pump into the nozzle present at the bottom of the activated carbon trap firmly and press it to force water into the activated carbon trap. You can now see the dirt coming out from the activated carbon trap. Repeat this procedure 5 to 6 times. Assemble the activated carbon trap back to its position by turning it in the clockwise direction. Now place the top cover on the top chamber.
The cleaning of the top chamber is now complete.
Before consumption, it is important to flush the device with water over 2 cycles. First, pour water into the top chamber until it is full. Then place the lid on the top cover. And then drain out all the water that collects in the transparent chamber.
Repeat this entire process again one more time and flush out the water completely. After this, the water is safe and ready to use for consumption. Wasn't this cleaning process absolutely simple? Pureit Classic is designed in such a practical manner that you yourself can maintain it and keep it clean with your own hands by following a few simple steps. Pureit advises you to always keep your purifier's filters clean to ensure safe, odorless and clean drinking water.